The Minister of Health and Medical Services, Honourable Dr. Paul Bosawai, left the country on Sunday to attend the World Health Organization WHO Executive Board meeting in Geneva, Switzerland. Dr. Bosawai, who was appointed a member of the WHO Executive Board last year, will take part in discussions on agenda items that will be considered at the upcoming World Health Assembly later this year. Speaking to SIBC TV, Dr. Bosawai said the meeting is a valuable opportunity to represent the Solomon Islands during Executive Board discussions.
I live in country law Sunday, 25th, for travel down to Geneva for board meeting. Purposely look at the various agenda items and also agenda items for the incoming World Health Assembly for this year. Going down to Geneva is an opportunity for Solomon Island as me, board member law, World Health Organization, together with another 33, together me for everyone 34, executive board member below WHO. WHO is very significant for country below me. As in millennium last year, almost 10 million and helping me for improving health service below me where I'm come. Not only for Solomon Islands, but me also represent him now 22 island, Pacific Island countries where me take him now voices go down law executive board meeting. By me accompanied by my PS, so me to by go see is the proxy of me in the board. It will be a long meeting for us and a long trip. So we are looking forward to it to better and best represent Solomon Islands in the board discussion.
The WHO Executive Board is a governance body of the World Health Organization composed of 34 technically qualified health specialists who represent their respective member states. Its primary role is to implement the decisions of the World Health Assembly, advise on health policy, and facilitate the organization's work.